So, this is our fifth lecture of the course series, course name Fiverr Success Course. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how you will make a gig on Fiverr. So, what you have to do, simply hover to your Google Chrome and search for fiverr.com and click enter. So, here I'll click on my dashboard. Once I will be there on the dashboard, you can see there is an option called gigs. I will click on gig. There is an option named create a gig, so I will click on create a gig. So by default we cannot change this, so we have to do work from here. But as you guys know, this is the fifth lecture. We already have been working on this, and you remember that we have done some initial researches. So I have this already. We have finalized the title. We have finalized the title for the gig. So what our title was, I'm just simply copying there. I will paste here. I have to select a category. It is suggesting us category. This is the category we have to choose. I'm going to choose this. We'll do the best. Okay. So we also have finalized the search tags. These were the search tags. Copy them, then paste. So it's not working. I have to write down manually there. Web research, Google spreadsheet. Google spreadsheet, and copy paste, typing, LinkedIn research. Copy paste, typing. By default, Fiverr allows you to add searchable tags up to 5, and I have already added 5 searchable tags, and this is okay. Now I'll click on save and continue. I will continue to next page. This is where I have to define the scope and pricing. So for the beginners, I highly recommend to go for the basic package and name this as standard, and then provide the description what you are offering in there. Let's say 4 hours of data entry work, my MS Excel work, copy paste work, and many more. Delivery time, keep it for 1 day. Hours of work, we are providing 4 hours of work. Formatting and cleanup, yes. Graph and table creations, yes. And for the revisions, go for limited revisions and price for $5. This is, you can this is just like my idea for gaining a lot of customer on my profile, because Fiverr have a lot of competitions, and as a buyer you go for the person who is offering you service in cheapest rate. So for the beginner it is more about getting orders rather than going for money. So I highly recommend go for $5 and offer them unlimited revisions, so the buyer feel comfortable working with you. There are gig extras, you can play around with them later. Click on save and continue, and here you have to write down the description. In our case we have already noted down the description. I'm just simply copying it from there and will paste it here. Need to clean up so that it look professional. LinkedIn. Okay, this is looking good now. I will click on save and continue. In this section you have to tell your buyer that what your requirements to get started. For me, required number one will be please describe briefly about the job. People usually send you message before placing order, so this is just a formality, but this is the requirement. You have to add at least one requirement here, then click on save and continue. Then you have to add a gig photo. We already have designed a gig photo for us. I'm simply taking it from there. It is uploaded now, and you can click on save and continue. And here is the last step. You have to publish your gig. Click on publish gig, and congratulations, you have just successfully make a gig on Fiverr, and you are ready to earn from Fiverr from your home. See, this is very easy. If you want to preview this, see, they have sent a message, congrats on your new gig, what a perfect time to acquire some new skill. This is just a notification, ignore it. Save and preview. Let's just preview what we have just created. So this is actually what you have just created. We have a nice graphics here. We have pricing. We are providing only one price package there. We have a gig description there. We have some searchable tags also. So this is how you create a profile on Fiverr.